Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering off the headphones and removing any cable. This prevents shorting while you work. Once done, place the left cup on a soft cloth and use a plastic pry tool to lift the ear cushion's inner lip. Gentle, steady pressure releases the clips without cracking the shell. You should see the mounting ring and the speaker foam. Inspect wiring connections and adhesive. If the cushion is glued, note where adhesive bonds so you can replicate it when installing the new cushion. Now clean the contact surfaces. Dampen a swab with 90% isopropyl and remove old glue and lint so new adhesive sticks. If foam or fabric is torn, trim ragged edges and consider a thin patch. If a wire is loose, resolder quickly and insulate with heat shrink. Replace any cracked mounting ring before gluing. Then align the replacement cushion and pre-fit it without adhesive to confirm the clips and holes match. This saves time and prevents misalignment once you apply glue or double-sided tape. Apply a thin, even bead of silicone adhesive or use double-sided audio tape on the mounting ring. Avoid globbing near the speaker opening. Once you place the cushion, press firmly into the clip channel and hold for about 60 to 90 seconds so clips seat and adhesive bonds. Wipe any excess before it skins over. Reassemble, power on, and test sound and fit. If audio is muffled or bass is weak, make sure the cushion sits evenly and no fabric obstructs the driver. Troubleshooting tip: if sound stays off, recheck the wire solder joints and connector seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.